Welcome to our guide on creating a successful subscription-based car maintenance business. Today we'll explore essential resources to help you get started. First, let's dive into some must-read books. Subscription-Based Business Models by Dr. Alexander Osterwalder offers strategies for building a subscription-based car maintenance service. Another great read is The Automotive Repair Market by IBISWorld. This book provides insights into market trends and opportunities for subscription-based services. For hands-on tips, Car Maintenance: The Complete Guide by Haynes is invaluable. It covers routine checkups and repairs in detail. Podcasts are also a fantastic resource. The Car Maintenance Podcast offers practical advice for routine maintenance and repairs. Don't miss the Subscription-Based Business Podcast. It covers strategies for creating a successful subscription-based car maintenance service. YouTube videos can be incredibly helpful too. Check out How to Start a Car Maintenance Business by Startup Business TV for practical tips. Finally, explore online courses like Starting a Car Maintenance Business on Udemy. These courses provide comprehensive guides to launching your business. Good luck!